Every swing trade idea which I shared in my last video, it has been played out exactly as we plan. Not a single loser. Currently, I am on meta stock on a monthly time frame, and let's do some technical analysis. So from here, we see a massive movement towards the upside, and we have a consolidation that has been forming now between us 547 and this range high is 736. So we are in a consolidation zone. So, and if you see last couple of month candle, this month it was a March month candle, and March month candle high it was around 671, and March low it was around 518. And if you observe couple of month candle, so this was April month candle, this was a May candle, and this was a June candle. It was all the inside of this March month candlestick. And this previous month candle, if you see, this was a bearish candle, but it didn't have any follow through, right? So ideally for this bearish candle we should have gone all the way till this level approximately, but bull steps in, and we have already crossed this month high, which is a June month high. So let me mark this June month high, quite important level. So this is a region, so around 640 level. If bulls can able to hold this 640 level, then I'm expecting a price to go at least towards the 740 level, or at least towards the 692 or so. Let's hop onto the lower time frame now. We have built a context that this ticker is in consolidation zone, and let's see what are the opportunity we can have. Currently I'm on daily time frame. So as we can see, this was a massive resistance zone we have built. Day we have a lot of bullish momentum towards the upside. We had a gap up after the Thursday's high, and price is around 670. So risk to reward wise, I don't think it's a good idea to long here, but in case we get a pullback around this zone, which is last month high around 630 to 640, so this kind of region I'm looking for a buy, and then my target goes towards the 736 level, which was the high which I mentioned on a monthly time frame. So my trading idea is longing around 640 level. My stop loss goes 26. I wanted to keep a stop loss, so in case it loses this support, then I don't want to be in a trade, and then I wanted to target at least $700, or you can target also 740 level. So risk to reward wise, it's a massive risk to reward, 1:4, but make sure that you buy the pullback around 640 level. Because so let's build a context for the baba on a higher time frame. If you see on a higher time frame, from this low, which is around $64, we are moving up. So from 64 we went up, then we have a pullback, then second time we went up, then we had a pullback, then third time we went up, and this was like a huge retracement that happened, and price touches around this demand zone. So if you see from here, price went all the way till 194. This is a kind of a demand zone, and price has been reacting to this demand zone. If you see weekly candle, so this was a bearish candle, and we already engulfed this bearish candle. So all the criteria it has been met. We are in uptrend, we are buying a consolidation, and we will buy at the support level. So let's switch towards the daily time frame and see what are the optimal entry we can have. Now similar to meta, it has been going up from 92 till 115. So I wanted to wait for the pullback at least towards around $100, because if you see $100, it has been support on a daily time frame. This is the support. Around 102 is a support, and maybe we can fill a gap, I don't know, but this is kind of a demand zone for me, and I wanted to buy around demand zone. So my trading idea is buying around $100. I wanted to keep a small stop loss around 97. I can keep a stop loss, and I wanted to target this high, which is a 145. Third ticker I'm watching is a CBRS. Let me remove every drawing and let's build a context for CBRS now. CBRS had a IPO on 15 May, and from that point it was going down, and we were consolidating since couple of week, and we build a base. If you see, this was the base we had built. Price were consolidating between $250 and $200. We had a massive movement towards the downside, and after this down movement, price were unable to fall. So if we see from $160, we went up, then this was a higher low it has formed, and price already reclaimed this base, which is a $200. So as per the consolidation logic, that this was considered as a fake out, and any pullback towards the $200, I'm expecting a rotation towards the 246. Otherwise, if prices would have been that bearish, it would have made a lower low and it could have gone below. But price unable to break this low, instead of price made a higher low. That's why I think it's a good idea to buy around $200, selling at the 245. So 190, or maybe you can keep a little larger stop loss because this ticker is volatile. Around 185 you can keep a stop loss, and for the target you aim for this high, which is around 245. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you find my video useful. And do let me know in the comment section what are the ticker you are watching and what you want me to cover in the next video. Thanks a lot.